Hey, what is up, YouTube? This is Aaron Stone 800 here, and today I'm doing something. I'm doing two Ixalan fat packs openings today, and so I got the packs all laid out for you guys. So these are all 5 different pack arts. So let's go ahead. We'll start from the first row, and we'll go through each row. So I'll go ahead and take the other rows out of the way, and we'll go ahead and get started. Sorry about that. There we go. That's off. First card we have is Queen's Agent. Whenever Queen Agent enters the battlefield, it explores. Reveal the top card of your library. Put that card into your hand if it's a land. Otherwise, put a +1/+1 counter on this creature when you put this card back or put it into your graveyard. We have Brazen Buccaneers. Haste. Whenever Brazen Buccaneers enters the battlefield, it's same as Explore. We have Legion's Judgment. Destroy target creature with power 4 or greater. Skullduggery. Until end of turn, target creature you control gets +1/+1, and target creature an opponent controls gets -1/-1. Siren Lookout. Whenever Siren Lookout enters the battlefield, it explores. Ooh. Jade Guardian. Hexproof. This card cannot be targeted by spells or abilities your opponent controls. When Jade Guardian enters the battlefield, put a +1/+1 counter on target merfolk you control. Pious Interdiction. Enchant creature. When Pyros Interdiction enters the battlefield, you gain 2 life. Enchanted creature cannot block, attack, or block. Ooh! Crushing Canopy. Choose one. Destroy target creature with flying. Destroy target enchantment. Pretty good. Unfriendly Fire. Unfriendly Fire deals 4 damage to target creature or player. Not bad. Dive down. Target creature you control gets +0/+3 and gains hexproof until end of turn. Emergent Growth. Target creature gets +5/+5 until end of turn and must block this turn if able. Not bad. River Sneak. River Sneak cannot be blocked. When another merfolk enters the battlefield under your control, River Sneak gets +1/+1 until end of turn. Savage Stomp. Savage Stomp costs 2 less to cast. Its targets a dinosaur you control. Put a +1/+1 counter on target creature you control, then the target creature fights target creature you don't control. Not bad. Sorry about that. Let me just... So I'll just put those there. I'll actually put the ones that get the silvers together, and we'll put the black ones and golds together. Daring Saboteur. Human Pirate. Daring Saboteur. Pay 3. Daring Saboteur cannot be blocked this turn. When Dark deals combat damage to a player, you may draw a card. If you do, discard a card. An island and treasure token. Okay, so I'll just put the tokens over here, and we'll put the lands over here. As you can see, the tokens and the token and the land, my 2 player guides, and my 2 dice, and the 2 fat pack. Dual shot. Dual shot deals 1 damage to target to each 1 damage to each of 2 target creatures. Legion Conquistador, Vampire Soldier. When Legion Conquistador enters the battlefield, you may search your library for any number of cards named Legion Conquistador, reveal them, put them into your hand, and shuffle your library. Not really good for a commander deck at all. Mark of the Vampire. Enchant creature. Enchanted creature gets +2/+2 and has lifelink. Shorekeeper, Trilobite. Pay 7, tap, sacrifice Shorekeeper, draw 3 cards. Not bad. You can keep it alive to get the 7 mana you need. Jade Guardian, again. Headwater Sentries, 4/2/5. Hang on real quick. Never mind. Okay. And then we have Vanish the Weak, destroy target creature with 3 power or less. Ooh, Pirate's Cutlass, artifact. When Pirate Cutlass enters the battlefield, attach it to target pirate creature you control. Equip cost 2. Anointed Deacon. At the beginning of your combat, on your turn, you may have target vampire get +2/+0 until end of turn. Not bad. Stormfleet Pyromancer, raid. When Stormfleet Pyromancer enters the battlefield, if you attack this creature this turn, Stormfleet Pyromancer deals 2 damage to target creature or player. Not bad. Slice and Twain, a good card. Destroy target artifact or enchantment, draw a card. Vampire Duskborn Skymarcher, Vampire Cleric, not bad. Ooh, Thundering Spineback, pretty good. Another dinosaur creature gets +1/+1. Other dinosaurs you control get +1/+1. Pay 6, create a 3/3 green dinosaur creature token with trample. Ooh. Oh, yes. Supplemental Grove. Enters the battlefield tapped unless you control a forest or plains. Add a forest or plains to your mana pool. That's a gold star, so we'll go there. And we got 2 more. Another token in the land, so there and there. Oh, sorry about that. Just open it, just get it over with. This could... Woo! There we go. Okay, we have Ryle. Ryle deals 1 damage to target creature you control. And gains trample. That creature gains trample until end of turn. Draw a card. It's got a drawback, but it's a pro and con card at the same time, so not bad. Bishop Soldier, Vampire Soldier, lifelink, 2/2. Sorcery, March of the Drowned. Ooh, return target creature card from graveyard to your hand. Return 2 pirate creatures from your graveyard to your hand. Not bad for pirates. Ooh, Nest Robber, Dinosaur, Haste. I'll be going through these and looking for the dinosaurs, and I'll be separating them. Return target creature to its owner's hand. Reveal a colorless treasure artifact token with tap. Sacrifice this artifact. Add 1 mana of any color to your mana pool. Commune with dinosaurs. Look at the top 5 of the library. You may reveal a dinosaur or land card from among them. Put it into your hand. Put the rest on the bottom of your library in any order. Gilded Sentinel. Artifact. Creature Golem. Thrash of Raptors. Dinosaur, as long as you control another dinosaur. Thatcher's red gets +2/+0 and has trample. Then we have Duress. Target opponent reveals his or her hand. You choose a non-creature, non-land card from it. The player discards that card. Another Pious introduction. So, Ruthless Knave. Orc Pirate. Pay 3, sacrifice a creature, create 2 colorless treasure artifacts with sacrifice this artifact, you add 1 of any color, sacrifice 3 treasures, you draw a card. Ooh, not bad. Unclaimed Territory, not bad. Emissary of Sunrise, Human Cleric. Okay, not bad. Oh, that's a good one. Vanquish Banner. That's a pretty good card right there. Swamp. And then we have a dinosaur token. So, yay. That's some good stuff. We'll separate the dinosaur tokens and the treasure tokens from them. Now we have Fathom Fleet Cutthroat. When Fathom 3 Cutthroat enters the battlefield, destroy target creature an opponent controls that deals damage this turn. Ooh! Sun-Crowned Hunters. Enrage. Whenever Sun-Crowned Hunters is dealt damage, it deals 3 damage to target opponent. Not bad. Another Commune with Dinosaurs. Sailor of Means. Whenever Sailor of Means enters the battlefield, create a... Okay, that's not bad. Spreading Rot. Destroy target land. Its controller loses 2 life. Raptor Companion. Cobbled Wings. Artifact equipped creature has flying. Equip cost 1. Not bad. Hang on, let me fix this up real quick. Spell Pierce. Counter target non-creature spell unless controller pays 2. Not bad. Ooh. Territorial Hammerskull. Whenever Territorial Hammerskull attacks, tap target creature and opponent controls. Windstrider. Flash. Flying. Ooh, Pillar of Origins. This is a good artifact. As Pillar of Origins enters the battlefield, choose a creature type and add 1 mana. Not bad. Oh, wrong spot. Stormfleet Arnest. Raid. Whenever Stormfleet Arnest enters the battlefield, if you attacked with a creature this turn, target opponent sacrifices a permanent. Oh, not bad. Bright Reprisal. Destroy target attacking creature. Draw a card. Angrith's Marauders. If a source you control would deal damage to a permanent or a player, it deals double that damage to that player or permanent. Not bad. A land and another treasure token. Okay, next on to these 4 packs. Oh, sorry about that. We have Fathom, Fleet Cutthroat, Nest Robber. Oh, hang on, let me fix that up real quick. Goes Fathom, Cutthroat, then Nest Robber. Then we have Storm Sculptor. Storm Sculptor can't be blocked. When Storm Sculptor enters the battlefield, return a creature you control to its owner's hand. Blossom Dryad, untap target land. Not bad. Headstrong Brute cannot be blocked. Headstrong Brute has menace as long as you control another pirate. Huh. Keenjaw's Collar, dinosaur spells you cast one less to cast. When Tanisha's Warfinder enters the battlefield, it explores. Encampment Keeper, First Strike. Not bad. Cobbled Wings. Pounce. Target creature you control fights another target creature you don't control. Verandant Rebirth. Until end of turn, target creature gains. When this creature dies, return it to its owner's hand. Draw a card. Not bad. Rallying Roar. Creatures you control get +1/+1 until end of turn. Untap them. Not bad. Oh. Then we have Bonded Horncrest. Bonded Horncrest cannot attack or block alone. Oh, that's a good card right there. You gain Sanguine Sacrament. You gain twice X life. Put Sanguine Sacrament on the bottom of its owner's library. That would be good. A plains and another dinosaur token. Well, finally one pack decided to work for us. Never mind. Thought it would. Fathom Fleet Cutthroat. Nest Robber. Ooh. Sunrise Seeker. Vigilance. Whenever Sunrise Seeker enters the battlefield, it explores. Ooh. Ravenous Daggertooth. Whenever Ravenous Daggertooth is dealt damage, you gain 2 life. Shaper Apprentice. Whenever Shaper Apprentice has flying as long as you control another merfolk. Headstrong Brute. Keenjaw's Collar. Tisha's Warfinder. Encampment Keeper. Cobbled Wings. Vine Shaper Mystic. When Vine Shaper Mystic enters the battlefield, you put a +1/+1 counter on target up to 2 target merfolk you control. Deadeye Plunders. Whenever Deadeye Plunders get +1/+1 for each artifact you control. Not bad. As long as Tito Vanguard is attacking, it gets +2/+0. Pay 4 life, and Tito Vanguard gains indestructible until end of turn. Sorry about that. Tunnel Shapeshifter. Haste. Whenever Tunnel Skin Shifter attacks, it becomes a copy of another target non-legendary attacking creature until end of turn. +0/+1. Not bad. An island and another treasure token. Ooh, yay. Different dinosaur. Frenzied Raptor. Pterodon Knight has flying as long as you control a dinosaur. Queen's Bay Soldier, Rummaging Goblins, Blossom Dryad, Storm Sculptor, Water Trap Weaver. When Water Trap Weaver enters the battlefield, tap target creature and opponent controls that creature doesn't untap during its controller's next untap step. Sorry about that. Hijack. Gain control of a target artifact or creature until end of turn. Untap it gains haste until end of turn. Ooh, nice. Pios Interjection. Crushing Canopy. Heartless Pillage. Target opponent discards 2 cards. Raid. If you attack with a creature this turn, create a ooh, yay. Raging Swordtooth. When Raging Swordtooth enters the battlefield, it deals 1 damage to each other creature. Ooh. Entrancing Melody. Gain control of target creature with converted mana cost of X. Island and another treasure token. Now onto this last pack, and then we got 3 more left. Ooh, crud. Gotta switch that up. There's that, then that, then that. Queen's Commission. Create 2 1/1 white vampire creature tokens with lifelink. Skullduggery. Shorekeeper. Ravenous Daggertooth. Spellpierce. Territorial Hammerskull. Windstrider. Ooh. Herefurious Chalice. When Herefurious Chalice enters the battlefield, target opponent loses 1 life. Huh. You can gain 1 life. Not bad. Costly Plunder. In addition to cast Costly Plunder, sacrifice an artifact or creature, draw 2 cards. There we go. Fire Cannon Blast. Fire Cannon Blast deals 3 damage to target creature. Ooh, Fire Cannon Blast deals 6 damage to that creature instead of if you attacked with a creature this turn. Not bad. Dinosaur Stampede. Attacking creature gets +2/+0 until end of turn. Dinosaurs you control gain trample until end of turn. Shapers of Nature. Pay 4, put a +1/+1 counter on target creature. Pay 3, remove a +1/+1 counter from a creature you control, draw a card. Not bad. Thundering Spineback. Ooh. Vona, Butcher of Magna. Vigilance, Lifelink. Plains, and then a Merfolk creature token. Now on to these packs.
Well, I wonder where he's at. Is he out? Is the car out there?
No. Fire Shrine Keeper. Ooh, an elemental. Menace. Okay, that's good. Skyblade of Legion. Vampire Soldier 2, Flying 1/3. Op, Scry 1, draw a card. Not bad. Ixalan's Diviner. Okay, not bad. Spreading Rot. Costly Plunger. Headwater Sentries. Chalice. Territorial Hammerskull. Dire Fleet Interloper. Menace. When Dire Fleet enters the battlefield, it explores. Deep Root Waters. Whenever you cast a Merfolk spell, create a 1/1 blue Merfolk creature token with hexproof. Wanted Scoundrels. When Wanted Scoundrels die, target opponent creates 2 colorless artifact tokens with sacrifice. Marauding Looter, Raid, Merfolk, Forest, and another treasure token. We have Sunrise Seeker, Fathom Fleet Cutthroat, Sailor of Means, Ixalan Keeper. Sacrifice Ixalan creature. Target creature gets +5/+5 and gains trample until end of turn. Windstrider, Fire Cannon Blast, Spreading Rot, Costly Plunder, Headwater Sentries, Navigator's Rune, Enchantment Rate. At the beginning of your end step, if you attacked with a creature this turn, target opponent puts the top 4 cards of his or her library into his or her graveyard. Not bad. Emissary of Sunrise. Ooh, wrong card. Goes there. There. Merfolk Shaman. And Goring Ceratops. Double Strike. Ooh. Dive Down. Ooh, shiny. I'll put the shiny ones up there. We got a pirate token. So put that there. Put that there, I guess.